It's apparently not true that Ernest Hemingway said, "There is nothing to writing. All you do is sit down at a typewriter and bleed." It's one of those made-up quotes that's been attributed to Hemingway that he didn't really say. And, one of those things that somebody wanted to claim was a true thing and therefore credited it to Hemingway. And it doesn't matter, I don't think, that he almost certainly didn't say that. The point is, lots of people believe the message that it's giving across. The idea that we have to suffer for our art. The idea that in order to write a good novel, you've got to be in pain to write it. That you have to endure putting those words on the page, and you damage yourself essentially by writing. If that's you at the moment, please know that it doesn't have to be like that. You do not have to be caught up in that cycle of pain, essentially. Please stop. You are allowed to just leave that cycle, step out of it. Write because you enjoy it. Write to please other people too. And you get to create a world that other people can join you in. You get to make stuff up and people can read it. I mean, that is one of the essences of what it is to be creative. It's a shared experience. And all of this tortured artist shtick, we need to leave it behind. We really do. Let me know what you think. You might agree with me, you might disagree. I'd love to hear it.